Hi there, welcome to my channel. This is myself. You all know my name probably, Kaushik Roy Chowdhury, and I have decided to face my camera today just to be able to make an important announcement. Now, I all of you people, community that have given me support by viewing and subscribing to my channel. Again, thanks to all of you. And you might have seen that I have been developing some ASP.NET Core theoretical some code-based videos. But recently I've got this idea to embark on the development of games through Blazor, teaching Blazor through actually learning to develop games. What better could be an approach than this if you are trying to learn a platform or a technology or a front-end web framework like ASP.NET Core Blazor by simultaneously engaging yourself in an interactive game. All right. So I think it is one of the best approaches, and it has got a proven acceptance in the industry. So towards this end, I have actually compiled and developed a game of Connect 4, which is again based on someone else's GitHub source code, but I have given it a bit of my own tinge, a bit of some changes. And this Connect 4 game is probably known to most of you. This is a game which we played in our childhood. It is consisting of a game board that has got 7 by 6, 7 columns and 6 width, 6 rows of open spaces in a frame, in a plastic frame, say it could be a wooden frame or anything, which has got a slit, horizontal slit at the top, and it is a 2-player board game. One of the player uses a red button or a red, you can say red piece, red circular button or a red circular piece or whatever you like to call, doesn't matter, circular coin, colored coin. So first of all, let's say that the red starts the game. The other person can also start the game. There is no hard and fast rule, I believe. So if you slide the first red button, the second player in his turn will slide his yellow button through the same slot. You see what I mean? From the top or some other slot, adjacent slot. And whosoever connects first 4 of his coins or dices wins the game. Whether it is, it is acceptable to connect it in 4 continuous horizontal line or 4 across, vertical 4, or even diagonally 4 coins has to be connected in series. So horizontally, vertically, as well as diagonally. So whosoever connects his 4 buttons first will win the game. That's straightforward rule, very simple to follow. Now, this project, although as it seems quite simple on paper, it's not exactly that way. It's not highly complicated, but I've thought of dividing it into 3 parts. First part will comprise of designing the game or modeling the game, and with a bit of a style sheet to actually create the magic of a game board on your machines, on your laptops or desktops or even mobile devices. And in the second part, I would like to complete a winning combination, a working game that is complete. The only thing left for the third part will be to declare who is the winner and reset the game so that no further user input can be accepted. And also, you can start a fresh game. All right. So please let me know how the idea sounds. So accordingly, I would like to carry on my plan. So thank you once again for supporting me. Please keep on supporting and share my channel and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And click on the bell icon to get regular updates. Thank you very much.